Welcome to my video. This is your good buddy, Mac Pay, who produces the Vietnam Veteran News podcast with an episode almost every day. I've been doing this podcast for 12 years now, and I've put out almost 3,200 episodes, all about the Vietnam War and the brave veterans who served there, as told to you by yours truly, me. I am a Vietnam veteran, spent 2 years over there. 1 year with the 4th Infantry Division, and second year with the 101st Airborne Division, where I flew Cobra gunships with the 101st Airborne Division. In this video, I'd like to tell you about something I heard about that helps you go to sleep. Now, if you're not there yet, you're going to find out as you age and get older, you are not going to sleep like you used to. You're going to have trouble falling asleep. And then sometimes you're going to have trouble waking up, like at 3 or 4 in the morning. No matter how hard you try, you can't go back to sleep. And it bothers you. So I wanted to do something about it. Read up on the subject. And there's pills you can take, sleep aids, melatonin pills, other type things. And some of those work and some of them don't. I tried melatonin and everybody says, hey, it's wonderful. It works great. You got to try it. So I tried melatonin. Worked pretty good for about a month. Then I don't know if I got used to it, but it began to get weaker and weaker and weaker. Stopped working. Tried some other things, pills and so forth. And they would work sometimes, and sometimes they wouldn't. But I sort of did not like have to take a pill to go to sleep, because it would sort of affect you a little bit. Sometimes I'd be sleepy the next day. Didn't like that. But then I heard about a system. It's very interesting. It's called the 478 system. And if you've never heard of it, it's very simple. You just inhale while you count to 4. Then after you inhale, hold it until you count to 7, and then exhale for 8 seconds. Then repeat that 4 times. I tried the system, heard about it. I'd like to let you know how it worked for me. And the good thing about this system is it's free. You don't have to pay for it. Also, it does not involve taking any chemicals or medicine or anything that will affect your mind later. That's what I liked about it. And this system is very interesting. Supposedly the people that told me about it were doctors who know about these things. So I decided I'm going to give it a try. Tried everything else. Why not try this? Pardon me. Also, something else besides these 478 things you do. There was something else very interesting they said to do. And this is, instead of counting sheep, like a lot of people do, count down by 3, starting at 300. It's like you start off at 300, 297, 294, and go all the way down to 0. I'll guarantee you, if you do that, it'll occupy your mind. And if there's things keeping you up, that you're worried about something, say you got a big meeting coming up, you got a bill you got to pay, or you got a big family group coming and you're not ready for it, and you're worried about it and you can't sleep. Well, if you start counting down from 300 all the way down to 0 by 3s, it'll definitely occupy your mind and block out all those other things, because since you're going down by odd numbers, you've got to think about it a little bit. If it was even, it'd be a lot easier. But going down by 3 numbers, by 3, you have to think about it. As you're thinking about it, you don't think about other things. Well, that's it. That's the whole 478 system. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold it for 7 seconds. Exhale for 10. 8 seconds. Do that 4 times. Repeat it 4 times. And then do the old count to 0, starting at 300 by threes. Go down 3 times each time. That'll occupy your mind. Now, I tried the system. That's right. I wanted some relief. Was becoming an elder citizen in your mid-80s. I'd like some assistance in sleeping. So I gave it a shot. And repeat that 4, 7, 8 system 4 times. Go count down by threes, starting at 300. I tried that for a while, and it wasn't like a lightning bolt coming out of the sky, putting me to sleep, but I began to go to sleep. It was amazing. And sometimes I would go to sleep and stay asleep until the alarm clock went off. Used to, I would wake up at 3 and 4 in the morning and I'd just lay there waiting. But the system worked. So if you have a problem with either going to sleep or staying to sleep at night, give it a shot. It's free, doesn't cost any money. And here's the good part. If it doesn't work, you didn't lose any money. You didn't consume any chemicals. It's a good system. So if you're looking for better night's sleep, try the 4, 7, 8 system. Do that. You'll be doing yourself a favor. Thank you for listening, and don't miss my podcast, VietnamVeteranNews.com. I think you would enjoy looking at it. Well, thank you for listening and good sleeping.